Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're all well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and you are ready for a new week of distance learning. This week on Guided Reading, we are going to be looking at a new book. But first, let's remind ourselves of our reading strategies. I have sent a video out to your teachers explaining all the reading strategies to help you. You can use any of these with your reading, but the ones I want you to focus on are your eagle eye and stretchy snake. Your eagle eye is when you look at pictures in the book to help you with the words, and your stretchy snake is when you look at the letters and you stretch out the sounds and you go and say the sounds all together. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. Chatter. Ch, a, t, You have a go for me? Good job, well done. Let's try it all together one more time. Chatter, ch, a, t, Good job, well done. The book that we're going to be looking at this week is called The Noisy Day. Girls, here is what our book looks like on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. The Noisy Day. It was quiet in Kat's bedroom as she lay in bed asleep. Then she heard her sister shouting, and her clock went beep, beep, beep. The trip to school was very noisy. Kat's three sisters were so loud. In the classroom it was noisy. They were such a chatty crowd. Kat pushed the button for some quiet hiding in the hall at break. Suddenly, the band came in and soon the floor began to shake. Kat ran away into the playground to find a quiet place to hide. Noisy boys were playing football with lots of players each side. Goal! Being tiny was a problem. Loud noises hurt her little ears. Be quiet! Once again, Kat pushed the button, but the bell was very near. Ring! The car trip home was oh so noisy with noisy sisters. 1, 2, 3. Dinner time was very noisy. Kat went off to read. Time for bed, you girls, said Mother. Now Kat smiled and closed her door. Slam! At last the house was very quiet until Kat began to snore. Listen to her. Now that I've finished reading, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading the book yourself. If you are struggling, you can listen to me read it again, or down here on Oxford Owl, you can access the play button where they will read it for you. This week on Guided Reading, we are going to be doing another quiz and another word search. To access the word search, all you need to do is click on the link that I will put in your portfolio. When you click on the link, it will bring you to this page, and all you need to do to join is enter your name and press start. When that has loaded, you need to press start again and have a go at finding these words for me. Don't forget to send me a picture of your lovely work. Enjoy and have fun.